In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Deferit Bill. Let's dive right in and explore how this service can help you manage your bills more effectively while saving you money and even helping you build your credit. First, head over to Deferit.com. This is where you'll find all the tools and information you need to start using their services. The website is straightforward to navigate, designed to help you easily understand and utilize the features Deferit offers. Once you're there, one of the first things you'll want to do is look into their unique bill payment option. Click on the section that says Pay Bills in 4. This is an incredibly helpful feature if you're looking to break down your expenses into more manageable pieces. You simply upload your bill to the platform, and Deferit takes care of paying the biller up front. After that, you pay Deferit back in 4 interest-free installments, with payments scheduled every 2 weeks. This can relieve you from the pressure of making a lump sum payment all at once and help in managing your cash flow more effectively. Next, to maximize the benefits of this service, be sure to check out the Build Credit with Every Bill Payment option. This is a great way to boost your credit score through your everyday bill payments. Whenever you pay your bills through Deferit, whether you choose to settle them in full or via installments, these transactions are reported to the major credit bureaus including Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. By consistently making these payments, you're effectively helping to build or improve your credit score, which is crucial for any future financial endeavors, be it applying for loans or negotiating better terms on mortgages. Another fantastic feature offered by Deferit is their savings option. Click on the Save Over $200 a Year on your bills section to find out more about how to cut down your expenses. Deferit works by negotiating or discovering discounts on your current bills, like those for internet, phone, or TV services. The best part is you won't have to switch providers to enjoy these savings. This means you can stick to the services you know and trust, while still benefiting from reduced costs. In summary, Deferit Bill is more than just a bill payment service. It's a tool that can help you manage your finances, build your credit, and save money.